So you've been wanting to research companies, but you don't necessarily have the time to do it yourself, or you don't know how to do it yourself. In this series of videos, I'm going to be going step by step through my entire process from beginning to end on how I find companies, what I look for when I do my initial research on the companies. If they pass my initial research, how do I value and evaluate them after reading their financial statement? I will go step by step, including valuations when we get to that point, in how to evaluate companies. My name is Jason Rivera, and welcome to Value Investing Journey Case Studies. Hey, Jason here. Here to tell you today that you still have a chance to get into the owner's earnings webinar that's supposed to happen last year. My mistake. I tried to fit one more training in right before Christmas. I think it was 3 or 4 days before Christmas, and I knew I was taking a chance that it might not work, and it didn't work. It blew up in my face. Nobody showed up due to holiday travel, spending time with families, spending time with kids, vacationing, spending time outside in the snow or outside at the beach if you live in a area with the beach like I do. Blew up in my face, bad. So we're going, the owner's earnings free training webinar has been rescheduled to January 23rd at 12 p.m. noon Eastern time on Wednesday, January 23rd, which should be 1 week from today by the time you see this video. 1 week from today, free live owner's earnings webinar. You'll learn how to calculate owner's earnings. You'll learn what goes into the calculation, why it can be so complex, how to get kind of over that complexity, and work through that complexity, what you use owner's earnings for, why it's such an important number, why it can help you find hidden value in a company, and much more. I'll show you step by step how to calculate this number, and we'll go through one for sure, maybe two, depending on how long the webinar goes and how many questions people have. Maybe two examples of owner's earnings calculations in the real world. We'll use a real world public company, and again, free. I will not be pitching on this webinar. I will be just giving you 100% value, teaching you how to use this ultra important number that frankly not too many people know about. Warren Buffett, Jay June, and I are pretty much the only people that I know. Jay June of Old School Value and me are pretty much the only people I know that even talk about owner's earnings even a little bit. And I want to show you this ultra important number because it can be super incredibly frustrating, but it's an incredibly powerful number. So I want to share it with you. Again, no pitching. I may mention some of my courses a couple times, but other than that, there will be no pitch. I'll be answering questions. I'll be showing you calculations, how to do it, what it means for the valuation and analysis of the company, all that kind of stuff. Again, should be below this video a link to sign up to the free webinar. Spacing is limited because the software we're using, spacing is limited. So make sure to sign up. And I don't know if I'm going to release a replay of this video ever. The only place I released a replay of the previous webinar, which was on TV, was to people who signed up for the webinar. That's it. I don't even know if I'm going to do that this time. I probably will to people who sign up. I definitely will to people who sign up, but I don't know if I release it anywhere else. So if you want to see this webinar, you have to sign up. I don't know if I'm releasing anywhere else, and you have to sign up fast because again, spacing is limited. We've already got about 10% of the spots filled up, I think. And that was with almost zero marketing last time over the holidays. Zero marketing up to this point, but I'm going to be pushing this over the next week or so to get more people in here. So sign up fast. Again, spacing is limited because it's the software we're using, and I don't know if I'm going to release this to anyone ever unless you sign up for the webinar. So hope to see many of you there. Bring pen and pad to take notes, bring questions, possibly bring a company you want me to look at and take a look at from an owner's earnings perspective. because I may, if we have time, look at more than one company, and I may look at your company as an example, so that you want me to look at. So again, free, no pitching. I won't be selling anything on this webinar. Free content, free value to you. And that's it. Sign up below. Again, should be below this video. The free sign up. All you have to do is input your first name, email address. That's it. Nothing else. I don't take credit card. I don't take even your last name. I don't take your address. Nothing. Again, I want to give this as much value to people as I possibly can. And that's it. First name, email address, sign it below, and you'll get access to the free webinar. And again, January 23rd, noon Eastern time, noon my time. So if you're in a different country, different state, specifically a different country, I know a lot of our subscribers, readers, listeners are from overseas. Make sure 12 p.m. noon Eastern time on January 23rd, my time, is when the webinar is going to happen. So make sure you put that into the world clock calculator or whatever it is and figure out what time that is for you. And that's it. Again, just show up and pen, pad, notepad to take notes and questions, possibly a company. If you want me to look at a company, that's it. I'm going to bring you a ton of value. And again, I've been supposed to happen last year, a couple days before Christmas. I tried to fit another training in there. It didn't work. So I'm doing it now again. And gonna get some more people in here, get some more questions, help you learn more and help you learn faster, and that's my goal. So I'll see you then. Until next time, thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.